Hey there everyone, this is Chris from the Tech Basement, coming to you once again from the basement. Today we are going to look at a lapel mic and a boom mic and compare them to each other sound wise as well as performance wise. So let's dive into that. Okay, we're going to do some sound tests here, and one is with the lapel mic and another one will be with the boom. Now, I'm not going to tell you which one this is, but we're going to switch over to the next one, and then after that I'll have you pause the video, and then at that point you can decide which one you think is what. And then at the end of the video I'm going to have you put it down in the comments area on the Tech Basement area. We're going to do another one in the VR room, and then we're going to have one outside. So I want 3 responses. 2 responses per those areas. Okay, now the furnace kicked off. So there we go. Now let's get to the next one. Okay, now here is example 2 within the Tech Basement area, and which one do you think this is? So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to have you pause the video and you write down what you think the first one was and what the second one was. Let's move over to a different room and we will see if that makes any difference, or if you will hear a difference because of the lack of reverberation, or there's more reverberation or not. I don't think we're going to have too much of a difference from down here, because except for, you know, being able to hear people possibly walking around or my daughter who's streaming. So let's move over there and see if we can tell the difference in there. Now that we're in the VR room, let's do the test with the different mics. This is test number 1. Now this is test number 2. What mic do you think this is that is displaying this sound? Okay, we're outside right now. Both mics have the wind resistant mic covers, whatever you want to call it. So what mic do you think this is that I'm using the first time around out here? Okay, down below, let's hear what you thought each of them were, and so that we're clear on what you thought was 1 and 2 in the basement, just put basement 1 and then your guess, and then 2 your guess, and then for the outside porch, put porch, and then 1 what your guess was and 2 what your guess was. Okay, there you go. There's the different qualities. What I did with the audio, I tried to put them all at the same level because of the distance of the camera. We're gonna have to raise the volume up a little bit just so that you can't tell which one it is. Because with the lapel that I have on right now, it's gonna sound a lot closer. So I had to make those adjustments. I hope that you didn't feel that that was deceptive, but I wanted to see about the quality, not the distance, how it was picking it up, but the quality of the sound itself is what we're looking for. So if you do like the lapel mic that I picked up, just go down to the link that I have there for you. Please use that link for that. If you like the TAKSTAR, go down to that link and use that link I have for you. Both of those links go to my Amazon program, and that's what will give me the money to be able to purchase different hardware that you've seen. With all that being said, this is Chris saying out.